SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy at your home. This is your mentor Nisha Gola, and today with me we will start our chapter number 11, and the name of the chapter is Money. So let's start here. So in this we have a revision exercise that you learned in your previous classes to check your learning. Okay, so here is given. Manisha was very excited. Her father had brought a new piggy bank for Manisha. Her mother had given her 2 notes of 10 rupees each and a 5 rupee coin to put in the piggy bank. Soon her mother to give her 1 note of 20 rupees to put in the piggy bank. अब ये बोला मनीषा जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है. उसके पापा जो हैं उसके लिए एक पिगी बैंक लेके आए हैं और उसकी मम्मी ने उसको 2 नोट्स दिए हैं 10 रुपीज़ के और 5 रुपीज़ का एक कॉइन दिया है. उसके साथ साथ एक नोट दिया है 20 रुपीज़ का. सो हियर मनीषा पुट द मनी टुगेदर एंड फाउंड शी हैड. अब पिगी बैंक में उसने सारी टोटल मनी डाली है तो कितने होंगे 20 रुपीज़ 20 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 10 rupee and 5 rupees coin. So total will become 45 rupees. Okay. So this was the start with. Then every day she saved some money to put in the piggy bank. इस मनी से इसने स्टार्ट किया था. फर्स्ट डे इतना डाला है उसने पिगी बैंक में मनी. उसके बाद जो डे वाइज वो डाल रही थी ये यहाँ पर हमें डिटेल दी हुई है. एड एंड राइट द सेविंग पर डे इन द टेबल गिवन बिलो. सो हमें यहाँ पर डेज दिए हुए हैं मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. एंड हियर वी हैव सम मनी that is notes or in coins, and we have to write out the total here. So here we have 10 rupee, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, so it will be equals to 20 rupees. Okay, just like that you have to fill this table. Here we have 5 rupee, 10 rupee plus 5 rupee, that will be equals to also 20 rupees. Okay, in this manner you write. Okay, so in this manner you check the notes or coins here, and after totaling that here you have to write total savings. Now we have some examples. Let's see here. We know here the conversion of money, how to convert money. As we know 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Yes. So to convert rupee into paise we multiplying it by 100. जब हमें रुपी से पैसे बनाना है तो जो भी रुपी हमें दिए होंगे उसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. For example, convert 6 rupee into paise. So how do we convert it? As we know 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So 6 rupee equals to 6 into 100 paise, that is equals to 600 paise. Okay. Now here we have some more. Convert 54 rupees 50 paise into paise. So 54 rupees को हम पैसे में convert करेंगे तो 54 into 100 paise, that is equals to 5400 paise. And now here we have also 50 paise. So after adding that we get here 5450 paise. Okay. Now second one is to convert paise into rupees. अब हम पैसे से रुपीस बना रहे हैं तो क्या होगा, वो डिवाइड होगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई होगा जब हम रुपी से पैसे पे जा रहे हैं और पैसे से रुपी आने पर डिवाइड. So first question is convert 820 paise into rupees. As we know 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. So 820 paise will be divided. So here 820 paise will be divided by 100, and after dividing it we get here 8.20 20 rupees, or we can say 8 rupees 20 paise. Now we have to convert here 18 rupees 50 paise into rupees. How do we convert it? So here we have 18 rupees. So 18 into 100 paise. So we get here 1800 paise, and we also have 1550 paise. So that is 50 paise. 18 rupees 50 paise will be equals to 1800 plus 50 paise, and after adding that we get here 1850 paise, and after that we have to convert it into rupees. For that we will divide it by 100, and after dividing it, it will become 18 rupees 50 paise, or we can write it as 18.50 rupees. Okay, so let's do our exercise here, exercise 11.1. So in this exercise, first question is convert into paise. So here we have 1600 rupees, and we have to convert it into paise. So how do we convert? Let's see here. As we know, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay, so here is given 1600 rupees. So 1600 को हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 100 पैसे से. ओके, जब हम ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो वी गेट हियर 160000 पैसे, means 1,60,000 paise we get here. Okay, so in this manner you have to convert these rupees into paise. Now we have question number 2. In this convert into rupees. अब हमें rupees में convert करना है. किसको? 825 पैसे को हमें rupees में convert करना है. और we know that 1 rupee equals to, or we can say 100 paise equals to 1 rupee. So when we convert paise to rupees, so we will divide it by 100. So 825 paise will be equals to 825 divided by 100. Okay, and after dividing it, we get here 8.25 rupees. Okay, it means 8 rupees 25 paise. Okay, so in this manner you can easily solve these questions. Now we have the next topic. In this we learn how to add and subtract the money. So addition and subtraction of money. Example number 1. Add 30.46 rupees and 64.86 rupees. So for that we write it like this, and then we will add 6 6 12 1, 4 8 12 1 3, 1 carry over here, 1 4 5 3 6 9. This is our answer. Or for subtracting, here subtract 74.75 rupees from 100 rupees. So here we write here 100 rupees, as we don't have paise here, so we put 2 zeros in the paise column. And here we write 74.75. And after subtracting it, we get here 1 rupee, so it will become 100. 100 minus 75 will be 25. And here will become 100 into 99. So 99 minus 74 will be 25. So this is our answer. Okay, now we are moving. Here we have exercise 11.2. Let's solve it. First question is add, and we have to add what? 205.30. Okay, and rupees 87.50. जब भी आप ऐड करेंगे तो ये ध्यान रखेंगे पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट. ओके, नाउ वी विल ऐड इट. ओके, सो लेट्स ऐड इट. 0 plus 0 is 0. 358.5712. 1 carry over here. 8 and 1 9 or 2. So we get here the sum 292.80 rupees. Okay, now we are moving to the next question. In the next question we have to subtract. we have to subtract 48.50 rupees from 62.50 rupees. So here we write first 62.50 rupees minus 48.50 rupees. Now we have to subtract it. We can subtract it easily. So let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Decimal or point. Here is 2, that is less than 8. So we will regroup it. After regrouping, it will become 12 and it will become 5. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have the answer 14 rupees. Okay. Now we have word problems. Zita bought a cake for 250.50 rupees, balloon for 35.75 rupees and chocolates for 88.75 rupees. So how much money did she spend in all? We have to find out. जो रीता है उसने क्या किया, केक खरीदा इतने रुपीस का, बलून्स खरीदे और चॉकलेट्स खरीदी हैं, और आपको बताना है हाउ मच मनी डिड शी स्पेंड इन ऑल, टोटल मनी उसने कितनी स्पेंड की. फॉर दैट वी विल एड दिस मनी. ओके. नाउ question number 4. Mrs. Notyal bought rice for 1550.75 rupees. She gave 2000 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much money did she get back? अब हमें बताना है कि जो मिसेस नोटियाल है उन्होंने राइस खरीदे और शॉपकीपर को दिया है उन्होंने 2000 रुपीस एंड उन्होंने खरीदे कितने के चावल, जो राइस खरीदे हैं 1550.75. तो हमें बताना है कि शॉपकीपर ने उन्हें वापस कितने रुपीस दिए. फॉर दैट वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द numbers here or money. Okay. Now here we have next topic, that is multiplication and division of money. So example number 1. The cost of one bowl is 23.25 rupees. So how much money will I pay for 6 bowls? As we know here, so first we make statement, cost of one bowl is this. So cost of 6 bowls will be, we will multiply the money of one bowl. So after multiplying it, we get here 139.50 rupees. You can simply multiply as we multiply normal numbers. Next, example number 2. If 9 calculator cost 810.90 rupees, so what is the cost of each calculator? अब यहाँ दिया है जो 9 calculator है ना उनकी cost है 810.90 rupees. So we have to find out the one calculator cost. So here we write first, cost of 9 calculators will be 810.90 and cost of one calculator will be, we will divide it by 9, the given cost. And after dividing it, we get here 9 9s are 81, 0 is bring down here and it is not divisible by 9. So here we take 0. Then we have point. So we take here point and after that we bring down 9, 9 1s are 9 and here we have 0. So we put 0 in quotient also. Okay. So we can say has the cost of each calculator will be 90.10 or 90 rupees 10 paise. Okay. Now here we have exercise 11.3. Let's solve it. First question is, my father paid 1060 rupees 80 paise for 4 chairs and we have to find out the cost of one chair. So here we write first statements. Cost of 4 chairs. 4 chairs की कितनी cost है? 1060.80. Okay. And we have to find out cost of one chair. Cost of one chair will be, and how do we find? We know that we will divide it the cost by 4. So we get the cost of one chair. So 1060.80 divided by 4. Okay, now we will divide it. So let's divide it here. 1060.80. Okay, you know that how to divide. So let's divide here. 4 to the 8, and after subtracting we get here 2. 6 will be bring down here. 4 6 is 24, and after subtracting it we get 2 here, and 0 will be bring down here. Okay, 4 5s are 20, and after subtracting we get 0, and here we have decimal, so we put decimal in the quotient also. Okay, and then we bring down 8 here. 4 to the 8. Okay, and next we have 0, so we will take 0 here and in quotient also. Okay, so here the cost will be 265.20 rupees. So we can write here the answer is the cost of one chair is 265 rupees 20 paise. Okay, this is our answer. So in this manner you can do word problem also. Okay. Now we have question number 2. In this we have to multiply. So I will do for you here. Question number 2. So in question number 2 we have the cost of a lunch box is 38.20 rupees. Find the cost of 16 such lunch box. तो हमें दिया है cost of a lunch box. So here we write cost of a lunch box is 38 rupees 20 paise. Okay, and we have to find out the cost of 16 lunch boxes. और 16 की हमें cost निकालनी है, so for that we will multiply it. So we get the amount is 38.20 and we have to find out the cost of 16 lunch box. So here we will multiply it. So let's multiply it here. We arrange it in columns and then we will easily multiply it. 6 into 0 is 0, 6 to the 12, 1 carry over here, 6 8 is 48 and 1 49, 4 will be carry over here, 6 3 is 18 and 18 4 22. Okay, and now here we have after 2 digits a point, so here also we put point here. Okay, so we can write the answer is the cost of 16 lunch boxes is कितनी है 229.20 rupees. Okay, this is our answer. So in this manner we have some word problems in exercise 11.3. You will easily find out the answer according to the word problems. Okay, now we have the next topic, that is bill. So what is bill? Let's see here. When you buy something, the shopkeeper gives you a bill. जब आप मार्केट में जाते हैं, कुछ सामान लेने जाते हैं, तो आपने देखा होगा कि आपको उसके साथ एक बिल मिलता है. Example number 1 is Rakesh's mother bought some items for her home. She is given the following bill. She gave 200 rupees to the shopkeeper and how much money was returned to her. अब यहाँ दिया राखी की मदर जो हैं वो कुछ सामान खरीदने घर का मार्केट गई. वहाँ पर उन्होंने कुछ सामान खरीदा जो यहाँ पर हमें लिस्ट में दिया हुआ है, और उनकी मदर ने जो है 200 रुपीज़ दिए शॉपकीपर को. ठीक है, तो हमें पता लगाना है कि उसके पास कितने रुपए उसको वापस मिलेंगे राखी की मदर को. सो हेयर द आइटम्स आर sugar, salt and आटा, and the quantity is sugar purchase 1.5 kg, salt is 1 kg and atta is 5 kg. And the cost will become 60.60 rupees, 17 rupees, 110 rupees. The total will become here 187.60 rupees. And hum other give 200 rupees to shopkeeper. So for that we will subtract it from 200 rupees. So here amount paid is 200 rupees. So here amount paid is 200 rupees and amount returned will be 200 minus 187.60 and after subtracting we get here 12 rupees 40 paise was returned. Okay. So here is given if we are subtracting in this manner. So it is wrong because here we have to put zeros also. Okay, then we easily subtract and this way is correct. Now in example number 2 also study the following bill to answer the questions. So here we some items have biscuits, tea, bread, butter, chips and the quantity is 2 packets, 1 packets, 1 kg, 2 packets and 4 packets and the cost is given here and the total cost will be 235 rupees 75 paise. So here the question is what is the total bill amount? So from bill we can see here the amount is 235.75 rupees. Okay. Now question number 2. If Simi gave 500 rupees, how much money would she get back? We know that we have total money is 500 and we have the below this one. So we will subtract it from and we get here 264 rupees 25 paise. And the question number 2 is what will be the cost of 2 loaves of bread? So here we have bread that is 1 loaf means 1 kg is of 25 rupees and we have to find out the cost of 2 kg of bread or we can say 2 loaves. So that will be 25 into 2 equals to 50 rupees. Okay. Now we have here exercise 11.4. So let's do this exercise. First question is fill in the blanks. First question is a pan cost 11.50 rupees. So how much will be the 3 pans cost? We know that if we know the cost of 1 pan, so we will write here 11.50 rupees and we have to find out the cost of 3 pans. So we will multiply it by 3. So we get here 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 5, 15, 1 carry over here, 3 ones are 3 and 4 and 3 ones are 3 and here we put 2 decimal. So we get the answer here 34.50 rupees. Okay. So this is our answer. So in this manner you have to read out these statements and try to give the answer of these questions. Now we have question number 2. Read the bill to find the total amount and the money left over. So हमें total amount निकालना है और उसके बाद कितनी money बची है वो. So money paid, कितनी money total paid की गई है? 100 rupees, 100 rupees and 100. So that will be 300 rupees. Okay. Now we have to find out the billing of the item. कितनी total कितना है? So here we know that 0, 0, 6, 5, 11, 11, 5, 16. 1 carry over here, 4, 1, 5, 5, 4, 9, 9, 9, 2, 11, 11 and 2, 13 and 1 carry over here that is 236.00 and we have to find out money left over. So money total कितनी दी थी? 300 rupees. Okay. और पे कितना किया है? Total amount कितना है? 236 and after subtracting it we get here 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 decimal here 0 is less than 6 so it will become 10, 0 will become 9 here and 3 will become 2 here. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, 2 minus 2 is 0. So we get the answer here 64 rupees. Okay, this is our answer. in this manner, the B also you can do like this one. Question number 3, a chocolate bar cost 18.25 rupees. How much money will be returned if Raman buys 4 chocolate bars and pays by a 100 rupee note? तो इसमें भी हमें ये बोला एक चॉकलेट बार खरीदी है इतने की. सो रमन ने क्या किया है, 4 चॉकलेट खरीदी हैं और 100 रुपये का नोट दिया है, तो उसको कितनी जो है मनी वापस मिलेगी. सो हियर वी राइट फर्स्ट कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 chocobar, that will be 18.25 rupees, and Raman buys 4 chocolate bars. So cost of 4 chocolate bar will be 18.25 multiplied by 4, and after multiplying we get here 4 5s are 20, 2 carry over here, 4 2s are 8, 8 2 10, 1 carry over here, 4 8s are 32, 32 and 1 33, 4 1 3 7, और यहाँ पर लगा देंगे हम डेसिमल. सो ही गोट the 4 chocolate bar of 73 rupees. Now he gave 100 rupee note and we have to find out the money left over. Money left. For that what we do? 100 rupee minus 73 rupee. Now we will subtract it. So 100 rupee minus 73 rupee. So we get here 0 0 decimal. 0 is less than 3, so it will become 10, 9 and 0. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 7 2. So we get here 27 rupees. So he got 27 rupees from the shopkeeper. Okay. So rest of the question you will try to do by yourself. Or here we use two methods. First we use so here in this manner we can easily solve these questions also. Okay. So this is your answer, and now we are moving to the next one. Here we have some mental math questions. So we have to write true or false according to the statements. 2 notes of 500 rupees will be equals to 500 multiplied by 2, that will be equals to 1000, but here is given 1500, that is incorrect. So here we write false. F. Okay. Now 100 can be exchanged for 10 notes of rupee 10. अब 100 को हम 10 रुपये के नोट में डिवाइड करें तो 10 नोट्स होंगे. Yes, it is true. Okay. Now we have some horse question. You have to do by yourself. 10 coins of 50 paise amount to B. That will be, you have to write here from the using options. Okay. Now we have some. Now here we have fun activity that you will try to do by yourself and enjoy this activity. And after that we have math lab activity that will be you. Now we have math lab activity that you will do in your classroom with your teacher. So students, this is all about our chapter. I hope all the concept of this chapter has been clear to you all. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.